Hello there guys, my name is Dennis, straight from Stunt Camera Crew. Guess what? Xiaomi has challenged us to break the boundaries of time. So we decided to create 3 videos in 3 days. And we did it all by using this phone, the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Let's take a deep dive over to these parkour locations that you're probably not so familiar with. So I'm gonna press play here and let's see how we did it. The first day, ladies and gentlemen, we were at the green screen studio. Here we tested the power of this phone in a green screen environment. And you can actually do one of these green screen scenarios yourself. What you need is basically some green fabric, some lights to keep it even lit. You don't want that spill overcasting your subject, so you're gonna have problems in post. We've all been there, we don't like it, so let's not do it. Capture this in the highest quality possible you can. In our case, this was 4K, 30 frames per second. So we got the option to slow it down to 80%. And we chose to shoot with a high shutter speed to get less motion blur when shooting the talented tricker Nico Dilfau. We had our artist create a 3D world environment that's based in the future. A grand hall entrance to Xiaomi headquarters. Now this space is huge, but it's made small by Nico's captivating movement.
That's a wrap.
Hope you find that useful. Let's move on. Day 2, ladies and gentlemen. Here we're going to take you guys over to the street. Alright, some people are curious about how we shoot our videos in a one-take sequence. Therefore, we got Oliver Thorpe, who is a parkour athlete who lives in Copenhagen, who basically has teamed up with us to demonstrate how to do this. Alright, let's get on to it. Find a location as the first thing you do, then plan the run for your athlete, jumper or stunt-related sport comrade. This will take you further in your thought process of how you want your cinematography line to look like. You can't really expect to get it the first time. Even the athlete has to warm up in preparation for the final sequence. So take this as an opportunity to warm yourself up and prepare yourself for the shot that you want to create. Amazingly, Xiaomi has created this feature on the phone that's called a track moving object, which basically means that you can track your subject more effectively. This feature will enable you to get your shot in less time. Ladies and gentlemen, let's not stop here. Let me demonstrate what this phone can do in a more broader, seamless sequence with more than just one athlete, the third and final shoot day at Jesse Pevril's gym. Let's get on to it.
Hey, I'm Jesse Peverill. Welcome to Parkour Expo. Have you ever wondered what a parkour gym looks like after hours?
Our team is hard at work, changing this parkour gym into something otherworldly. We designed a film set that enables us to push the phone further, so we can see how it performs in low light.
Cameras rolling. And action.
Now, there's a lot of movement taking place to this shoot, as we're all exploring almost every inch of the space. It's good to become familiar with the movement yourself, actually. With over 20 years experience of parkour ourselves, this has enabled us to develop like a sixth sense of a kind that we can bring to the action we film. Learning movement helps you better predict the direction of where the athlete is planning to go through. It's important here that the camera operator leads the audience in a sort of dance that you have choreographed. By doing so, it keeps the audience hooked in some constant suspense as they are being taken on a journey through the story that you are telling. 3 videos in 3 days, breaking the boundaries of time, accomplished. We just want to give a big shout out to Xiaomi for giving us this opportunity to engage with our audience in this way. For everyone watching at home, we would love to see what you have applied to these techniques in your own creative way. Use the hashtags in the caption below to keep us, SEC and Xiaomi informed. We would love to see what you guys can create out there. So, trip but don't fall, stay safe. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Stunt Camera Crew signing out and thank you for stepping by.